another tutorial. Welcome to my channel. It's your girl Delivia again. Today I am here with this look. I just created this look today, and if you're interested in knowing how I got it, hey, stay tuned and let's get into the so I'll go ahead and section the part that I will use in front. Okay, I think this is enough for what I want to use in front. So then you have something like this. I'll go ahead and attach my hair. It's my Mali hair that I've been using forever. So I'll go ahead and use this bun. I don't know if it's bun or a bowl. I got it from a beauty shop. It has this hole here. And I will just put the hair inside. And also try to make for it to sit below my own bun that I make, for it to be very secured. You see? Like this. It's very secured now. So now I'll go ahead and just spread the Mali hair. I'll use a new rubber band, hair band, that is very new and smaller, and then I'll fit it like this. And then this excess hair, I'll just twist like so. There. And I'll go ahead and use a bobby pin to secure it very well. So now I have my bang in front, looking very smooth. Now we have to play with the rest of the hair. I'm just trying to be creative. I've not thought of how I've not thought of how the style will look at the end of the day. I'm just trying to create something. So now I just felt like I should go around this hair that I made, like so. And secure it under my bun. like so. And I'll grab the second piece, twist it to make it smaller, and do the same. Grab my hair ring and place it almost where the first one is, like so. And also secure it under my own bun. Yummy. So I guess this two is okay. The rest of the hair will go around the bun. I'm just going down the bun and inserting it under my own, this big bun. Since it's very secured, I'm just sending it under without using pins. So now I'll take this other one and go around at the back like this to make sure everything is nice and secured. So here is the final look, the front, the side, the other side, and the back.